do agriculture say no what bo mo modern now so 2025 we are running 6%, industry 3.2%. And no de aba fam kakra nyuma sem ne ade no services and no kura yen kese 8.8%. Overall no in GDP around 6.3%. 2025 trend no from 2019 day banti wo hwemu a ya improve then your Facebook in share 104.5. These are the figures. Looking at 2019 on said na better kakra change 2024 2017-18 was even better than the 2019. Just say IMF no wa ye boy ye ho modern ye omo ensure say ye discipline but omo jai mu a na akoyasem. And this is what I'm drawing the attention of Ato Forsen, the finance minister, to it. Say it's not all over. We have moved from the era now jubilate, but it's not all over. Say IMF ni living here. That is where the reality sets in. And they see it me facing in. So put strategies. Now your productive sector no budget, what can job creation, infrastructures are who industrialization, you say industries na kofem 2025 indicator no. We didn't improve much. Inuma sem no ehu hia. Wo mu nyina ye no ma yesi yete anihwe. Na yetumi hwese ye be ya ntutu ye na nkoye anije nko a. Ma me mo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama abaso. Ade ba ko a Yewra to force kai ya manage ye pa ne se ose President Mahama a directing say schools se wo Ghana ha nyina basic to secondary schools omo ntomo eburo enkoko eni nkosua e wo Ghana ha ya ebomo nko import ma. And I applaud His Excellency John Dramani Mahama for this, because say ye buani etimi ato wa ha ebema ye kuafuo ne sika na ma omo so etimi atre omo kuayo no na omo etimi afa nipa dodo no anso wa adwuma nim, because e wo hwe se kuayo ne ye fuo mu wonko ade ane ye wa feli eye chain eti ba bia ye do no ye twawie a wo mo ebetwe akọ adrabafuo benya omo de omo so eton funie de de ye mfuo nyina nse kan emfunie nuro a de begusuo no ma nyina omo so nyina so benya market omo nso abie store mbe fa nkrofo wom amomaton no ma no akuafo na beto akoye adwuma enti eye chain na ebe benefit nipa bebre ebe sanso ama jobs bebre. And this strategy is a very good one. Yento na ya because awura Nkoko kra ye wie no na ye produce o maimu no ye produce only 13% of your national demand. Tubu mu be dua na ye produce kra de solve ye na enum ye numpo e kire wo se enkoyie o hwe mo a ye kra de ba billions of dollars enuane ye de begu o maimu na no ne ye ka kire wo se about $3 billion ye spend de kokra enuane ba. Basi ye to kakra ye wo ha no na yetumi adi no okromu ha ebeboa ye na etumi ama enoma etumi akonanim, because enkosua a ye no maimu no enya asem ketwa. It will create a lot of jobs edi ama eye Ghana fo a ewa ha na me ma statistics no a wo hwe Ghana ye nuane ayeye ne ha no a edu ba bia na areho ba ye buakuafo na ebitumi agina ye na so na yetumi akoyanim. But enen Nkoko Nketenkete no ya lanche yesi ye poultry ya be lanche okumase ya kama. But one thing that we must know, and they said you're planting for food and jobs by any age ebe ma ye nuane e de no ma bebre be kan ye ho ne ade no e ko wiase na ye boachi bidin. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ghana for her ni said this Nkoko Nketenkete ni era Minister for Agric. You make sure that this one never fails. Sika ye di komu no nye sika ketwa. Now na Agric Minister ka say over 200 million for a start. ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa. And of course ɛsi a man fa so ɔba so sɛ ɛbɛyɛ yɛ poultry no just 13% pɛ ɛne yɛnya ne Ghana. It will need more. Na yɛtumi produce wadi no wɔ ha sei. Very very important. Sɛ yɛtu saa anamo no. Nhyira 104.5.
Nhyira FM.
Oh yeah! Come on!
Nhyira 104.5.